Hello everyone, this is Jain. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this time I'm going to unbox the Sony headphones XB900N with extra bass. Basic things: it has 30 hours of playback time, Bluetooth, built-in Alexa or Google Assistant as per your using, and noise cancellation. Hands-free calling, we know that. What I like is the Type-C and the NFC. That's what it makes more useful and versatile. So it has 10-minute charge up to 60 minutes, but the M3, the 1000 M3 headphones, the Sony other headphones, these are the mid-range one. They are the most high-end variants. So those are like more faster in charging. So rest all things are almost same, but what are the basic difference will be like the material difference and the packaging type. But both of them have USB Type-C. So this headphones, so let's get started. What we get inside the box. So this is a package. So let's see, open it this. So there we go. So this is the actual package, cardboard box, I think so. It's cardboard box. There we go. See, these are the headphones. I ordered the blue color. These are over-ear headphones. Let's keep aside and see what else we get inside the box. So inside the box you get it USB A to Type-C and the aux 1 and the manual, and it doesn't come with case, like it has the pouch. That's what makes the difference, like high-end variant and the mid-range one. So we get this inside the box, the setup, how to set up this, all the things. Let's see the headphones. So these are the headphones. They are almost the same size as the 1000 M3, but what is the difference here is the material quality, because the material quality on the M3 is more softer, and it felt more premium tag to me. So even this thing doesn't feel me like so cheap as well, but it's good. Let's see around it. It has Type-C, the aux 1, power button, and it has the custom key, like whatever app that you want to open, like pressing this one, the assistant, or anything else, YouTube. It is good. Then it has the NFC. It is for abbreviation type, like logo, so you can fill it what is written over here. These are the noise cancellation one. Okay, so see you around next time. I will do the review on it. So you have seen the unboxing. Please do comment, do like my videos, and subscribe my channel. Thank you.